Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to blur your background in Google Meet in 2026. First, open Google Meet and join a meeting or start an instant meeting. Once you are inside the meeting screen, click on the Backgrounds and Effects option. On the right side, you will see different background effects. Scroll up if needed and you will find two blur options, Slightly Blur and Blur. First, click on Slightly Blur. This adds a soft blur effect to your background while keeping your appearance clear. If you want stronger privacy, click on Blur. This option creates a stronger background blur and hides most of the background behind you. The blur effect is applied automatically, and you can switch between the two options anytime during the meeting. If you want to remove the blur later, simply open Backgrounds and Effects again and select the No Effects option. This is the easiest way to blur your background in Google Meet in 2026. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Google Meet tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.